Welcome back to another episode of
Alrighty, I got one of them hot boxes, brother. So, pretty sweet. It comes with 2 Journey Together Obsidian Flames and a Surging Spark big boy. Come on, focus. So we're going to save the Surging Sparks for last. And let's go for Obsidian Flames first.
I have a pretty big announcement today for an upcoming video, but more of that later. For now, sit back, relax, and enjoy this quick rib.
Lechonk, Billy Bolt, and a Palafin. Alrighty. Oh, wait.
That's right. I'm going to be opening up a team-up pack, which is definitely not financially responsible, but we do it for the love of the game.
Pupitar, Durampa, and a Ludicolo. Alrighty. Journey Together.
Thank you everyone who likes and follows. I'm very happy with the channel growth. Yeah, continue doing that.
Pelipper, Shelmet, and a Noivern. Back at it again. Oof. Alrighty. Can we get some of that last pack magic? Alright. Cast form. Execute. Mesprit. Scatterbug. Tauros. Technical Machine. Ninetales. Flittle. Oh, sick. And a Tapu Koko. You know, this card ain't worth much, but I think it's awesome. This is like some of my favorite artwork from this, honestly. Man, that's such a nice card. Come on. There we go. Anyways, bye.